The Bissell AeroSlim Cordless Handheld Vacuum makes quick cleanup simple with its lightweight, cordless design and reliable suction, perfect for everyday messes at home, in your car, or at the office. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Bissell AeroSlim Cordless Handheld Vacuum, brush and crevice tool, charging cord, filter, and user manual. Product overview. How to use. Before first use, fully charge the Bissell AeroSlim Cordless Handheld Vacuum using the included USB charging cable. Press the power button to turn it on, then clean the desired area using the standard nozzle, or attach the 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush for tight spaces and delicate surfaces. When you're finished, turn off the vacuum, empty the dirt bin, and clean the filter regularly to maintain optimal performance. Maintenance. To keep your Bissell AeroSlim Cordless Handheld Vacuum performing at its best, empty the dirt bin after each use and clean the filter regularly. Wipe the exterior with a soft, dry cloth, remove any debris from the nozzle, and fully recharge the battery after use. Replace the filter when it becomes worn or damaged to maintain strong suction. Smart features? Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to carry and maneuver for quick cleanups anywhere. Perfect for cleaning cars, furniture, desktops, stairs, and other hard-to-reach areas with minimal effort. The cordless, rechargeable design lets you clean freely without the hassle of tangled power cords. Enjoy quick, convenient cleaning anywhere around your home, car, or workspace. Delivers reliable suction to quickly remove dust, crumbs, pet hair, and everyday debris. Designed for fast, efficient cleaning on furniture, car interiors, and other small surfaces. The included 2-in-1 attachment easily switches between a crevice tool and a dusting brush to clean tight spaces, corners, upholstery, keyboards, and delicate surfaces with greater precision. Recharge easily with the included USB charging cable for convenient, cordless operation. The long-lasting battery provides dependable power for quick everyday cleaning tasks. The removable dirt bin empties quickly for fast, mess-free disposal of collected debris. Its simple design makes routine maintenance easy and helps keep the vacuum performing at its best. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Bissell AeroSlim Cordless Handheld Vacuum. See you at the next one.